Hey guys, let us start with question number 37. In question number 37, we have to find nth derivative of a function of y where y is x upon x plus 2. So it is given that y is equal to x upon x plus 2. It can be written as x plus 2 minus 2 upon x plus 2. So this can be written as x plus 2 upon x plus 2 minus 2 upon x plus 2. So this is x plus 2 becomes 1, so this becomes 1 minus 2 upon x plus 2. So this is our y function. We know that if y is equal to 1 upon ax plus b, then its nth derivative yn is minus 1 raised to the n factorial into a raised to the n upon ax plus b raised to the n plus 1. So this is nth derivative of function 1 upon ax plus b. Nth derivative of this function becomes, as 1 is constant, its nth derivative becomes 0. So nth derivative, so this is 0 minus 2 constant, we can take it as a common. So just comparing this with this, and this is nth formula for nth derivative, so this becomes minus 1 raised to the n factorial. Value of a is 1, so 1 raised to the n is 1. So in denominator, this is x plus 2 raised to the n plus 1. So this is nothing but minus 2 into minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial upon x plus 2 raised to the n plus 1. So this is nth derivative of y is equal to x upon x plus 2. So next question, that is question number 38. In question number 38, it is given that y is equal to 5x plus 3 upon 5x plus 7. We have to find its nth derivative. Similarly, as y is equal to 5x plus 3 upon 5x plus 7, so it can be written as 5x plus 7 minus 4. This is just arrangement, because 7 minus 4 is again 3, so this and this is same. So this is 5x plus 7. So this can be written as 5x plus 7 upon 5x plus 7 minus 4 upon 5x plus 7. So this can be written as 1 minus 4 upon 5x plus 7, because 5x plus 7 upon 5x plus 7 is 1. So by using same formula, we can find its nth derivative. Nth derivative of 1 is 0, 4 is constant, this is minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial into 5 raised to the n, because value of a is 5 and denominator is same, that is ax plus b raised to the n plus 1. So this is nth derivative. Next question, that is question number 39. In question number 39, we have to find nth derivative of 2 upon 2x minus 1 minus 3 upon 3x minus 1. Again, by using same formula, that is if y is equal to 1 upon ax plus b, then its nth derivative is minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial into a raised to the n upon ax plus b raised to the n plus 1. Just compare a, b. So this becomes 2 into minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial into 2 raised to the n upon 2x minus 1 raised to the n plus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial into 3 raised to the n upon 3x minus 1 raised to the n plus 1. This is just because by just comparing the values of a and b, we can get this. Next question, that is question number 40. In question number 40, it is given that y is equal to 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 1 upon 5x plus 7. We have to find its nth derivative. This one is more simple. So its nth derivative of constant is 0. 1 by 5 is constant. 1 by 5, we can take 1 by 5 as common. So its nth derivative is minus 1 raised to the n, 5 raised to the n into n factorial upon 5x plus 7 raised to the n plus 1. So this is by the formula of y is equal to 1 upon ax plus b. Next question, that is question number 41. In question number 41, function y is x square plus 3x plus 7 plus 16 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 1. So this is again a simple question. Its nth derivative, this is x square plus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial, its third derivative becomes 0. So obviously its nth derivative is 0, so nth derivative of this is 0 plus 16 we can take as a common into minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial. Value of a is 1, so 1 raised to the n is again 1 upon x minus 2 raised to the n plus 1 minus minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial upon x minus 1 raised to the n plus 1. So this is nth derivative of this function. Next question, that is question number 42. In question number 42 we have to find nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. So we can find its nth derivative. First we have to use partial fraction to split these terms. So this can be written as a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 3. So this implies 1 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. So this implies 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Just comparing numerator because our denominator is same. If we put x is equal to 3, then we will get b is equal to 1. If we put x is equal to 2, we will get a is equal to minus 1. So this y is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 can be written as minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon x minus 3. So its nth derivative can be written as, by using the same formula, that is if y is equal to 1 upon ax plus b, then its nth derivative is minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial into a raised to the n upon ax plus b raised to the n plus 1. So this is minus sign is common, so its nth derivative is minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial upon x minus 2 raised to the n plus 1 plus minus 1 raised to the n into n factorial upon x minus 2 raised to the n plus 1